my washing machine's not working. It goes for a few seconds and it stops and then it just beeps. Well, this is a Thermador, which is also a Bosch. Here's the model number, not that it matters. And this is the problem that I'm having, E24. Let me see if I can...
Quick check of the Google shows that the E24 error code has something to do with the circulation pump or drainage issues. Now, it's been really cold in Minnesota recently, and other things in here have frozen, but I think maybe just the pump is plugged, so I'm going to try to suck that out first.
Find your drain hose, which if you have a garbage disposal is going to be connected to the garbage disposal. A little wiggle. You don't want to break off the nipple from the... Okay, so we're going to take this out of here. Initially it was just beeping at me and there was no error code. I dumped a bunch of water in there and it drained out. It ran for a little longer and now it comes up with that error code. This is your filter, if you didn't know, and you're going to want to make sure this is clean. I cleaned it already, but and then stick your hand down in this gross area, see if there's anything in particular that's there, and remove it. You're going to need a shop vac. Okay, so you've got to make this drain hose match up and be able to fit into the shop vac hose. So I just wrapped a towel around it. Sure, screwed it in there. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not getting anything. I'm going to try turning it on and set it to drain and see if maybe there's something that opens up in there. I think I can cancel this out if I just turn it off, let it sit for a little bit. See, turn it back on, start, and then the first thing it'll do is drain. So as soon as I hear it start draining, I'm going to turn that shop vac on. You can see I'm not getting anywhere. So it's got to be plugged up somewhere pretty good. Let me suck all the water out this side and see if I can see anything. You know, I might have another theory here too. It's been super cold here in Minnesota this week, like 15 below zero outside, and every morning when I come in, the pipes under my sink have frozen, even though I'm doing whatever I can to keep it. I'm wondering if maybe something froze in here and it's just frozen solid. I don't know what this is exactly, but it's full of water. I'm going to just suck all that out, fill it with warm water, and see if there's something frozen in there, if I can get it out. So I took off the kick plate and put a hairdryer under there, got it filled up with hot water, and I think now it's working. I was able to, well, now it's not all over the place, but I sucked all the water out of here. It's now running across the floor. I think that's going to fix it. Let's give it a try. Now I'm a little confused. It doesn't give me the error code anymore. I know that the pump is clear. It's not frozen. It's draining. I can hear it, water going in and out, but it's sitting here beeping, but at the same time it's still running. So, I'll let it run for a while and see if it fixes itself. I was just sitting here trying to figure out if there's anyone else that's had that problem, and I can hear the dishwasher running, but it was beeping the whole time for about 10 minutes, and then it just shut off. I think it's fixed. I think it was upset because it was frozen, and we thawed that out, and then it just had to cycle through a few times to make sure it was okay. I'm gonna go with that. I'll let you know if it doesn't work.
Yeah, and I think that was it. Ran it for a couple of cycles, no problems. I think once we got the ice out of there, let it drain, cleared the error code, had to run for a while, listen to it beep for 10 minutes, and all seems well.